today's video, I will plan out my week for August 15th to the 21st. Let's go. I'm Marianne. Through my own planning, I hope to inspire you and yours. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and all things mentioned in this video I'll outline in the description below. Here we are for the month of August. So far I've got my cover page, my calendar spread, my habit, mood and sleep trackers, my well-being spread, and weekly spread for the first week. I added this daily foldable as I had a few extra tasks that week, so this planner insert enabled me to list tasks that would not otherwise have fitted in the weekly 2-page spread. So it just sits in the middle of my weekly, and I fold it in the middle so I can reference the other side of my weekly spread. This is my current week of the 8th to the 14th, the Wellbeing Planner, and my weekly spread. Now let's plan for the new week. So this is my V3 Wellbeing Planner insert and my V3 weekly 2-page spread. They are available in my shop, marianecresp.com, and I'll have the links in the description below. What I will use today is one of these washi tapes, which is the colour inspiration for this week's layout. They are washies from Kmart here in Australia, and they are part of a 10-pack natives set. For markers, I will use these 3 Tombow markers, colour codes in the description, a black pen, my KURETAKE Z-Clean colour dot markers, a ruler, scissors, tweezers, this Carpe Diem number sticker pad, and a craft knife. I think I have an idea what I'm going to use it for. We'll see how it goes. Let's get started. I'll start off by dating my morning journal, and I'm going to pick this green that matches the Tombows I'll be using. So I grab my tweezers to help me take it off the pad and place it straight on the page. Time to embellish the top of the page, but before I do, I just need to swatch the 2 greens to see which one I will use first. So I have Holly Green, which is 312, or Asparagus, 192. I'm going to use the top green, which is the asparagus, and create a check pattern at the top. I'm going to use this floral native washi and place it at the bottom of the check pattern. I just cut the end off first, nice and straight, place it down, and then cut off the end with a ruler. Next, this is where the craft knife comes in. I'm going to cut off the top part of the washi that has no floral print on it. I could easily leave it on there as the washi is a bit transparent, but I wanted to see more of the checkered pattern. Then I just used tweezers to help me remove the excess washi. For the next bit, I was inspired by the tiny pink flowers on this second set of washi. So I'll add a bit of pink flowers on top of the check using Tombow 772, which is the colour blush. Then I'll use Tombow 312 for the stems. That looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to add the date range on the other side of the spread using Tombow 772 and write out August 15 to 21. And I'll just fill out the blank space at the top with exactly the same embellishments that's on the other side. First I outlined the date range with a fine tip of the Tombow marker, but I didn't think it popped enough on the page, so I outlined it again with a black pen. Next, I'll write down at the bottom my micro break habits. Micro breaks are those 1 to 2 minute breaks you take several times a day as part of your break routine to avoid burning out. Mine include 1 minute deep breathing a couple of times a day, writing down what I'm grateful for, a coffee break, cleaning my planner desk, and doing a nighttime stretch before bed. Now it's time to write down my habits for the 7 areas of focus to ensure I get a good balance between spiritual, mental, family, career, social, physical, and finance. These habits include meditating in the morning, read or learn daily, keep a clean home, work on my side hustle, connect with family and friends, work out, and track my expenses daily. Now this pie chart here will indicate how I did the previous week once the week is over, and I'll see how many times each day I action my habits in each 7 areas of focus. I then mark 6.5 hours on my sleep tracker, as that's my ideal number of hours of sleep at the moment. At the bottom of this page, I write down my other wellness habits I want to improve and monitor, like eating fruit, no sugar or junk food, getting outside, no spending, writing the small win of the day in my victory log, drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water, and getting minimum of 5,000 steps each day. Now that's the Wellbeing Planner spread done. Now for the weekly spread. I'm going to use number stickers again for the dates. I'm going to use these tiny circle stickers. To see the different type of stickers in this sticker pad, you can watch my sticker flip through video. I'll pop a card link at the top. Since these stickers are so tiny, I definitely need my tweezers for these. Then I will embellish the top portion in exactly the same way as my Wellbeing Planner pages. What do you think of this layout? Do you like it? If sure, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Is it something you'll try? Let me know in the comments section below. Now if you are going to use a craft knife, I'd recommend to try on scrap piece of paper first, same weight you'll be using to ensure you don't cut through the paper itself. And of course, do be very careful using sharp objects. For the notes section on the side, I'll just highlight every second line. I'm too scared I'd mess things up or it'd look too much if I also did the check pattern. Add a bit of washi tape at the bottom of this section too. Now it's time to add the events, tasks and/or bills that have been marked on my August calendar and migrate those information to next week's weekly spread. I'm going to use my Zit Clean color dot marker in Platinum as a check marker and write the information on the top of each corresponding columns. These include meetings, payday, bills due, any subscription renewal, holidays like International Left-Handed Day on the 20th, and any savings challenges. For the daily task of each week, I'll add those as the new week progresses. Some more additional floral touches. And here's the layout for the new week. The Wellbeing Planner pages and the weekly spread in green and pink colorway. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell to get notified of new videos. Make sure to watch my other Plan With Me videos for more ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.